Okay, so today we're going to practice solving some GMA problems, and the expectation is that you will follow along with the video so that you're making sure that you're getting all of the steps in so that you will be able to get the right answer. Remember, some of the math is very easy, and I do understand that you will probably want to do some of it in your head. But the expectation is that you will rewrite all of the steps so that we're setting up for success for the future. All right, take your pen. Number 1 says 10 times 3 minus 12. So before I even get started, I'm going to make my little plan over here to the left. GMA. Remember, grouping symbols always come first, then multiplicative, then additive. So I'm going to scan my problem for any grouping symbols. I do not see any grouping symbols in this problem, so I'm going to go ahead and cross off the G. The next piece would be looking for any multiplicatives or multiplicatives, which means any multiplying or dividing. So when I scan this, I see multiplication right here. What I want to do at this point is I want to underline the piece that I plan on solving. So I'm going to multiply 10 times 3. And when I multiply 10 times 3, I'm able to get 30. So I'm going to rewrite 30 right here under my line. And anything that is not underlined will just drop down. So we're going to drop down the subtraction sign, and then we're going to drop down the number 12. The next thing that I want to do is I want to go back to my checklist and I want to look for any more multiplicatives. The only sign I see left is subtraction. So I'm going to go ahead and cross on multiplicative. And the last step is the additive step. So remember, additive could mean any adding but also subtracting. So I see 30 minus 12. So I'm going to underline that. And I'm going to think to myself, how many are between 30 minus 12. What would that give me? Well, if I counted up from 12 to the number 20, that would give me 8. And from the number 20 all the way to the number 10, that would give me, all the way to the number 30, that would give me another group of 10. So if I'm already at 12 and I go all the way to 20, that's a difference of 8. And if I go from 20 all the way to 30, that's another group of 10. So together that is 18. So when I subtract 30 minus 20, I get the answer 18. And once I get 18, I am finished. Box in your answer.